Hello, today I'll be discussing Teledyne LeCroy's USB4 receiver physical layer test solution. USB4 is a bidirectional link with a maximum data rate of 40 gigabits per second over the USB Type-C connector, with two lanes each signaling at 10 gig or 20 gigabits per second. Thunderbolt uses the same PHY signaling at 10.3125 or 20.625 gigabits per second. Fixtures and test controllers for USB4 and Thunderbolt 3 are available from WilderTech at wildertech.com. The stress die signal for receiver testing is generated by the Anritsu MP1900A SQA bit error rate tester. Calibration is done using either the LabMaster or the WaveMaster oscilloscope. Calibration is done at two test points. For TP3 prime calibration, the output of the BERT is connected directly to the oscilloscope through the DC blocks. SSC, data-dependent jitter, AC common mode voltage, random, periodic, and total jitter and eye height are calibrated using the oscilloscope measurements. For TP3 calibration, these stresses are combined and the eye area of the equalized signal at the end of the channel is calibrated to the specification. Teledyne LeCroy's Qualify USB4 software completely automates the receiver testing, controlling the BERT, the oscilloscope, and the USB4 device under test. From the Qualify main screen, select USB4 RX from the USB menu. In the Setup menu, select the DUT type, router assembly, captive device, or Thunderbolt 3, data rates, ports, lanes to be tested. Under the Test Selector menu, select the calibration and test to be run. First, the connection and calibration at TP3 prime. Connect the output of the BERT directly to the scope through the DC blocks and press OK. After TP3 prime stressors are calibrated, Qualify will prompt you to change the connection. Connect the channel that you've characterized with the WavePulsar 40IX High-Speed Interconnect Analyzer, or VNA, between the BERT and the oscilloscope. Then press OK. Once the area is calibrated to meet the specification, Qualify will prompt you to change the connection for the BERT test. When prompted, disconnect the USB-C test cable from the oscilloscope side calibration fixture and connect it to the device under test. Then press OK to complete the test. Once the BER test is complete, a pass-fail receiver compliance report is generated. That completes this introduction to Teledyne LeCroy's USB4 receiver compliance testing. In addition to USB4 testing, Qualify supports all legacy standards over the USB-C connector, and Teledyne LeCroy is the market leader in protocol analysis tools for all USB-C technologies. Happy testing and hope to see you at the next workshop.
For more information and videos on Teledyne LeCroy's USB4 physical and protocol testing over Type-C, visit us at teledynelecroy.com/USB-C.